We're doing the Alleycvt vocal tutorial today. This is short and simple. We're going to go over some vocal processing and different ways that you can amp up your vocals for your pre-drops. Let's listen to this first. Tell me, can you feel it? We just do it from scratch. You know, there's a lot of different tools in Ableton that we can use. Plus, we can use our own vocals, like our own voice. The other layers is this main layer. Tell me, can you feel it? The top harmony. Another one. And then we have the vocoder chords, which are being fed into the voice, which I will show you soon. And then this choir, just for like a perfect harmony right in the back. Nice background bed. Background bed of voices. Cool. So this sample right here, tell me, can you feel it? There's a lot of processing. We're going to go over it one by one, but first I want you to hear the original. It's just my voice. Tell me, can you feel it? It's not really the best recording either. I did it very quickly, but you can take some time, learn about vocal placement, get a good microphone, make sure that there's no noise around you, maybe get a chaotica eyeball, and really try to dial in the best recording you can. Tell me, can you feel it? The first thing we're going to be adding is actually Autotune. I'm using Waves Tune. You can use any Autotune, but essentially we're going to lock in to our scale. At the bottom here, it's on natural minor. So you're going to need to go there, and then you're going to choose your scale that you're writing in, which in this case, it's F or F minor. Up here, we can change the speed of the note transition. So you could do more of the T-Pain effect or do less of the T-Pain effect and really dial in the amount of autotune that you're adding and how fast it's moving. Tell me, can you feel it? We are going to add this gate here just to remove any background noise that's left over from the recording. A glue compressor will be used to turn it up. Tell me, can you? We're going to use this threshold. Tell me, can you feel it? Tell me, can you? Until it starts moving. We're going to move this threshold until the line moves. Tell me, can hovering around 3 to 5, and then we turn up the makeup gain. Tell me, can you feel it? To turn up the signal, and then we're going to get the EQ8, cut out all the low mids, and turn up the highs. Tell me, can you feel it? Tell me, can we're going to delete all that muddiness. Tell me, can you feel it? It just doesn't sound clean. Tell me, can you feel it? Add a Fletcher-Munson curve. Tell me, can you feel it? It's going to be a setting where we use the scale and go down, and it's going to reduce the harsh frequencies. You can even use this with plugins like Soothe. Soothe will help that too. And since I'm starting to turn up all these frequencies, I want to start to make sure that I take care of some of the problem frequencies and reduce them, attenuate them to make sure that they are not as harsh. Next thing we're going to be adding is Bitspeek. Tell me, can you? So this is regular. Tell me, can you? This is with Bitspeek. Tell me, can you feel it? Tell me, can you feel? You can do a lot with this. So tell me, can you feel it? Tell me, can you? You can change the frame rate, the pitch, noise, detune, the rate. Tell me, can you feel? Tell me, can you feel it? Tell me, can you feel it? Tell me, can you feel it? Yeah, so we just get some sick results. And you really want to mess with this. This is an awesome VST that I think you should use, Bitspeek. And then we're going to add a vocoder to it. So the vocoder is going to make it harmonic and bring in chords, because right now it's just like a regular voice. It's kind of distorted. It's not, there's not much content here. Tell me, can you? But then we add the vocoder, and this vocoder is linked to this MIDI information right here, this vocoder pad. So all these chords are basically going in to this vocal. So now you're going to hear the chords and the vocal at the same time. They're like a hybrid now, little hybrid robot. Tell me, can you feel it? Insane. Tell me, can you feel it? No vocoder. Tell me, can you feel it? Vocoder on. We turn 40 bands, get the highest quality right here. The depth, we can mess with this. Tell me, can you feel it? Can you feel it? This is what it does. It's like more of the chords over here. Tell me, can you feel it? Tell me, can you feel it? More tight. Can you feel it? Tell me, can you feel it? Bringing the chords back in. So this is really, really helpful. Even use the format to start changing the pitches. Can you feel it? It's amazing. The whole reason this is working well, though, are because of these chords that are in F minor. So you can lay down huge chord stacks in F minor. You can highlight the scale and then click scale. You'll be able to just only use the notes, and you can just go buck wild and add as many voices as you want, but you got to make sure that you're playing the right chords.
Can you feel it?
So like if you see, we're kind of in like this flowy pattern where we start over here on this chord and we go up, and we start going back down, and then we go back up again.
Can you feel it?
So I'm just creating like pitch movement with the chords going up and then down and then back up while staying in the scale. And I'm just listening to the vocal as I'm doing that.
Can you feel it?
To see if it's cool or not. And it's really helpful. So yeah, use Vocoder. The Vocoder is just a serum patch with a synth. This is in the user presets synth geoduck. This is serum 1. This track is turned down negative 3.6 as well over here. We're going to add a glue compressor to turn it up a lot. And then we turn it back down with this track volume up here. The last thing we do is add a clipper just to clip it at 0 to make sure the signal doesn't go past 0.
Can you feel it?
So glue compressor off.
Can you feel it? Can you feel it?
It's not big enough. It's not loud enough. It's cool now, though. But all we have to do is just pump up that jam, pump up that volume, add the threshold, -5. So I'm once again moving the threshold until the line starts moving.
Can you feel it?
Just getting the slight amount of gain reduction and compression, and then we turn up the makeup gain so we can
you feel it?
go to the moon. You know, this is 7.62 dB. If we measure the difference in volume, that would be helpful. So let's go ahead and do that real quick.
Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Can you
So earlier it's about -12, and then now we have
Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Can you feel it?
we have -5 Lufs. So huge difference in the jam. Very cool. That's the main one. You want to record some extra harmonies. All right. You want to be able to record you at a higher pitch, higher octave. So this is me like supporting the end with like a higher voice.
Feel it.
This now Autotune,
Feel it.
gate, glue compressor, EQ8. So we're going to do the same thing.
Feel it.
Bitspeek, Vocoder. These are basically all the same. And we're just going to make extra layers using the same effects. You could even do different settings if you want. We're just trying to make different layers. This one's a like lower mid frequency one, and this is a higher frequency. So top harm and then bottom harm. Just extra supporting vocals to support the main. We kind of did that on purpose. You like are going from quiet to loud. And it just adds more movement, adds more impact, more dynamics. It's just a grand time. We have a group here that has some EQ8 cutting out these lower mids, doing a little dip here on 2 and turning up the highs with the high shelf. Glue compressor, just doing a little bit of makeup gain and a G clip, turning it up 1.8 dB. Now this is a pre-drop, which is using these chords in F minor. So when it transitions into this fake out here, these should be swapped. My bad. We'll get that fixed. It goes straight into harmonic information, and all these chords and these arps start ripping the bass line. So the whole transition from the vocoder vocal to that harmonic fake out is really helping a lot. And then boom, we use the drop, which also has melodic content in there too. It's just all coming together, and these harmonies are all supporting each other. The full vocal rack that I've made here, I'm going to put in my Patreon, as well as all this chord MIDI. So if you guys want to get this stuff, you can. Otherwise, go ahead and recreate it. Ask me questions if you need help. Hit me up on Instagram or Discord. I'll be able to help you whenever you need it. Book a private lesson as well if you need help 1v1. And I will see you guys soon. Have a good day. Peace.